back to my channel Life's Calculations. As you all know that ICSE has reduced 25% syllabus for the session 2021 for the classes 9th, 10th, plus 1 and plus 2. In the morning I brought one video on the reduced syllabus for class 10th ICSE, and now is the turn of class 9th. Okay, so stay tuned, see carefully what are the changes, major, minor, all, each and everything in detail I have brought for your help. Okay, now I compared the syllabus given in the official website of ICSE with the old syllabus. Okay, each and every word I compared. And students, one more thing I want to convey to you, that just now one or two videos I happen to see those one or two videos which are showing the reduced syllabus for class 9th, and I am afraid, I am very sorry to say, that they have missed the portions. They have missed some portions which have been deleted. Okay, so but I have checked each and every word, like this part is missing, this part is missing, okay, and this part, each and every word, right? So I have checked, and each and everything I am going to tell you in detail, right? So this was the comparison between the old and the reduced one. Now I have written in detail each and everything for you chapter wise, right? So we will now discuss the things chapter wise, right? So here we go. And this is the syllabus. I have written complete syllabus, which was the old one, right? The original one. Now, during this only, I will tell you which one is the reduced one, right? So, for all the authentic information, please subscribe to my channel. In future also, this kind of information will be shared with you, and that also in a very truthful and authentic way, right? Now, let us start. First of all, Unit 1. Unit 1 is about pure mathematics. Okay, it includes only chapter 1, rational and irrational number, which is included in the new syllabus as it is. Nothing has been removed from this chapter. Okay, then comes Unit 2, commercial mathematics. Commercial mathematics, we are having two chapters: compound interest without formula and compound interest with formula, using formula. Now compound interest without formula has been taken up as it is. So this full chapter is there, chapter number 2 complete is there, but from chapter number 3, otherwise it has been included, but partially only. Why partially? Because the last portion, last segment, rate of growth and depreciation has been excluded in the new syllabus. It means that exercise 3D does not get a space in the new syllabus. Okay, chapter number 2 full has been included. Chapter number 3 has been included partially, excluding exercise number 3D, that is rate of growth and depreciation. Now let us talk about algebra, unit number 3. We have got 5 chapters, chapter number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Expansions, factorization, simultaneous linear equations, indices and logarithm. So out of all these, listen very carefully, out of all these, expansions full is there, factorization full is there, simultaneous linear equations full are there, indices full is there, and the big major change here is about chapter number 8. Students, see carefully, and the change is also a little strange also, because this was something very good chapter for the higher studies, higher classes also, but this chapter number 8 is has been totally removed in the new syllabus. So logarithm is not included in the new syllabus. This is the first major change in our 9th class syllabus for the session 2021, right? Chapter number 8 is not there. Then coming to unit number 4, that is geometry. Now geometry has even more things, very much important things to share with you, because our geometry would include from chapter number 9 to chapter number 17. A very major portion of the syllabus of class 9th was included from the geometry portion only, right? But see, keep listening carefully. Now here chapter number 9 was our triangles, right? So that included congruency of triangles. So congruency of triangles has been full included as it is without a single change. Now, so strange and a little good for the students, because students, in it is my opinion only, students did not like these chapters much, that were chapter number 10 and chapter number 11, because isosceles triangles, inequalities, many theorem type questions maximum used to there. And the good news for the students is that isosceles triangle has been completely removed, and inequalities in the triangles only related to major three properties has been totally excluded. Totally excluded. Isosceles triangles and inequalities have been removed. Chapter number 10, chapter number 11 totally goes. Then coming to the next chapter of geometry, that is chapter number 12, 13 and 14. Okay. So students, chapter number 12, midpoint and converse theorem. Midpoint and its converse, and their applications are full there without a miss. Then Pythagoras theorem, okay, with proof and simple applications with converse, everything totally finds a full space in the new syllabus. Okay. Then coming to rectilinear figures, rectilinear figures would include quadrilaterals, right, parallelogram, then rectangle, then there was rhombus, square, trapezium, everything full without a single % cut. Chapter number 14 totally is still there, has been totally retained in our new syllabus. Then the major change comes in chapter number 15, 16. 15 was constructions of polygons, so many constructions this chapter would include. Then there were area theorems. Area theorems was also a quite big chapter. So those both the chapters number 15, 16 are now totally removed, completely removed from the new syllabus. Chapter number 15, 16 are not at all there. Okay. And there was chapter number 17 also, circles, from the geometry portion only. And the circle was very interesting and very informative also, very much helpful in 10th class also. Circle has been completely included without any cut, without any plus minus. Circles find a full space in the new syllabus. So this is about chapter geometry portion. Geometry portion, chapter number 10, 11, 15 and 16. One of the most major change in class 9th math syllabus is that 4 complete chapters from the geometry portion have been excluded, have been totally cancelled in the new syllabus, right? So this was about our unit number 4. Now coming to unit number 5. Unit number 5 was statistics and statistics and graph work. Okay, it included chapter number 18, chapter number 19, that is statistics and mean and median. So everything is still there, both 18, 19 are still there in the syllabus. Then coming to unit number 6, mensuration. Mensuration would include 2 chapters, chapter 20, 21, area and perimeter and solids. So about solids, nothing changes. Solids is completely there, and one change has come in chapter number 20, that is area and perimeter, that it does not include the area and perimeter of the quadrilaterals. Okay, so quadrilateral means that all the questions from exercise 20b, all types of quadrilaterals, area and perimeter has been excluded. So means exercise 20b, a big exercise which would take up our lots of time of the students for the revision, for the teachers to cover up, has been totally removed from the new syllabus, right? But chapter number 21, solids, is still there, completely it is there, right? Then coming to unit number 7, that is trigonometry. Now trigonometry students like much, very new and very interesting topic. Okay, and scoring also. So from trigonometry portion, 4 chapters are there in our syllabus, that is chapter 22, 23, 24, 25, right? So no need to read the names, because no change occurs in this portion, because chapter number 22 is there, chapter number 23 is there, 24 is there and 25 as it is without a single change are included in the new syllabus. Now coming to unit number 8. Unit number 8 is our coordinates. coordinate geometry. It includes our 3 chapters, small but very interesting topics, chapter 26, chapter 27, chapter 28. So all these 3 chapters, chapter 26, 27, 28, without a change have been included in the new syllabus, right? So that was all about our major changes, and the minor changes inside the chapters is in chapter number 20. Okay, then there are major changes in our chapter number 15, 16, which has been removed. Chapter number 10, 11 removed totally, logarithm removed totally, right? Then comes our coming back to chapter number 3, rate of growth and depreciation from the compound interest using formula. Exercise 3D has been removed. Okay, so students, this was all information regarding the reduced syllabus, compared properly in detail, each and every word seen 100 times. Okay, so you can rely on this information, right? Now I will give you the summary. Okay, the final summary of our reductions, major cancellations, minor cancellations is this. Major cancellations are chapter number 8. This is logarithm, totally removed. Chapter number 10, that is isosceles triangles, totally removed. Chapter number 11 means inequalities, totally removed. Chapter number 15, constructions of polygons of all kinds of constructions, totally removed. Chapter number 16, area theorems, big chapter, totally removed, right? Then one more portion is left, that is what are the minor changes within the chapters. Otherwise chapters included, chapter number 3 and 20 have been included, but with minor changes. Portions have been removed from chapter number 3 and chapter number 20. From 3 exercise 3D goes. 3D was our rate of growth and depreciation, and chapter 20 was our area and perimeter of plane figures. From this exercise 20B goes, which was about area and perimeter of quadrilaterals, right? So students, this is the summary of the reduced syllabus of ICSE class 9th. Friends, hope you understood the way I did, right? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and don't forget to press the bell icon, right? And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you very much for watching.